Moving to Germany is not so difficult. Living might be. Today's episode is dedicated to all those who are living and studying in Germany with a desire to be financially independent as well.
Alright guys, so welcome back once again. I have become a Volt rider for today, and I've always seen Volt riders on the street, and I wanted to experience one day what it feels like to be and do this job on the street and experience beautiful Berlin. My focus for this video is entirely on two things. One is how much money you will be making and what is the flexibility of the job. This job can be started when you want, how much you want, and where you want in entire Germany. So currently Volt is operating in about 7 locations, which is Berlin, Munich, Frankfurt, Hamburg, Hanover, Cologne, Dusseldorf, and by the end of this year they're going to be in multiple other locations.
If I turn back the hands of time, remembering my days of being a student and broke, guess what? Wasn't the best combination. And to meet the cost of living in a reasonable way, I didn't have a choice like today, what you have as Volt.
Alright, so I'm about to start my shift. I've downloaded my Volt Partner app. Make sure that, the beauty of this job is that you decide when you want to start working and you give your schedule to them. So I've just created one shift for myself, and I just have to swipe right and you'll be on the job. So one of the thing about this job is you get all the right gears by the company itself. You do not have to spend any money. Whether it's a mobile phone cover, whether it's jackets, no matter what season it is. If it's a hardcore winter, they'll give you a winter jacket. If it's rainy days, you can get a rainy jacket. So I would highly suggest you to take an e-bike just so that you can be more efficient. The more orders you deliver, the more efficient you're going to be. Look, I'm not asking you to go and buy e-bike because it can get really expensive. I would say that you can go to Get Henry. It's a company here in Berlin. You can rent e-bike from them and you can get a discounted vouchers from Volt. One of the problem with part-time jobs is you have to apply numerous jobs, then you get response maybe in 15-20 days. What I'll do is, if you want to be a Volt rider, I'll give the first link in the description where you can jump onto that, and from the time you have applied till the time you have onboarded, the maximum days what it's going to take you is 4 days. So make sure that you jump onto the first link in the description and apply for this job.
Imagine having a flexible job in which you don't have to call your parents back home and ask for a few bucks. Think about it.
Alright, so let's start talking about in terms of earning, how much are you going to make. So if I talk about just the hour rate, so Volt is paying anywhere between 12 to 15 euros for an hour. Again, the more orders you throw in, the more money you're going to make. You are permitted to work for 20 hours a week. Here you can work anywhere between 12 to 20 hours a week, depending on what's your schedule like. As I said, this is where you decide how much and where you want to start and how much you want to work for a week. So I'm just taking a quick 10 minutes break right now. In this time, I'll quickly tell you what documents you need to apply for this job. First is valid work permit, which you're going to have it anyway because you're becoming a student in this country. Second is your tax ID number. Third is a local bank account details. And fourth is health insurance. So make sure that you have these 4 things ready. Maybe additionally they could ask you something more, but again, these are the 4 primary things what you need before you jump onto the link, which is in the description. Keep these things ready. Alright, so I've always encouraged students to learn German before coming to Germany. But for this job, if you want to be a Volt rider, you do not need any German or pre-qualification. So, आज का दिन होता है समाप्त. I'm ending my day. So, I'll give you a quick update. How many orders I delivered, how much I made, and how many kilometers I went around the city. I have all the update on my app. 1 second. Pretty enjoyable day. So I delivered a total of 14 orders. Distance covered 37.8 kilometers. Earnings just in 4 hours, 60 euros 34 cents. Not bad, just for a day.
Listen, in the beginning, I did say that living in Germany might be difficult, but if you're ready to push your limits and make your own money, then there are many ways. And trust me, Volt is one of the best.